Can you do the first bracket for me, please?
Foil, so
Yeah.
it'll be 10x, take away 15.
Okay, stop right there. And you run. Go ahead.
4x squared.
Yeah.
Plus 32x.
Yeah. I know Andrew plays football. Does anyone else in this class play football? Okay. I'm sorry I pick on football players, okay? So I tell jokes at the expense of football players. My examples are like football player hits a wall, like those are the types of questions that I do, okay? So I'm just warning you before you start. It's nothing personal, okay, right? But just so you know. All right, Callum, back to you. Can you combine some of those for me, please? Just before I make fun of football players, he did a very good job for this. You remember the negative goes through? So the negative doesn't just hit that, it also hits the negative 8 and the negative 3, right? So they're very good. All right, Callum, can you finish up, please?
Yeah. So I put the. Oh, actually, I squared the 32 instead.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, it's negative 4x.
Yeah. Yeah, 4x squared, good.
And then plus 32x.
Yeah.
Plus 10x.
Yeah.
Minus 15 minus or plus 12.
Good. And again, I like what he did there. It's called descending powers, right? Where the x, the highest power, is on the left, and comes down to the lowest answer. All right, Albert, I haven't picked on you yet. Finish this one up, please.
So then the leaves you with negative 4x squared.
Yeah.
Plus 42x.
Yeah.
Minus 3.
Very good. Okay, this is starting to come back for people. I'm going to do one quick foiling example, then you guys are going to do a foiling example, and then we'll probably, unfortunately, out of time here, okay? We'll do a little bit, I'll do one fast one. Okay, quadratics were a huge part of grade 10. They're a sizable part of grade 11 as well. What do you use, what's factored form good for? Grade 10, I don't remember. Why would you factor something? Yeah, okay. Find the x-intercepts, good. Right, that's how you solve equations. And when you get to grade 12, I guess, you'll learn how to do that with like x cubed, x force, x fifths, and all the way through. This year we're going to do the other thing. We're going to change it to standard form. That's what foiling is. Okay. When you change it to standard form, it's good for a whole bunch of other things, vertex and y-intercept and all that stuff. All right, Vanessa, do you remember how to foil from grade 10? Okay, go ahead. First step is what? Good. Which turns into?
3 times everything by 8x.
Thank you, whoever said squared. It is 8x squared. Okay, right? Because remember, 2 times 4 is 8, right? And then x times x is x squared. All right, Ben, what's the next one, please?
3 times 1.
3 times 1?
2x.
Oh, wait, sorry.
Yeah, at first outside, inside, last. I do that one probably next. So 2x times 1 is just 2x. And then negative 3 times 4 is negative 12x. And negative 3 times 1 is going to be negative 3. You can do it in a different order if you want to, but this is nice because it's already grouped, right? So you don't have to worry about that. Then I'm going to draw the bird here. Nobody here has been in my class, so this guy's a happy bird. Now he's actually upset because the class is almost over. And he's got wicked hair too. Okay, that turns that into 8x squared minus 10x minus 3. Now, before, everyone always complains about the bird, or let me tell the bird story. When I first taught math, my first year teaching, 10 years ago, there was a student who hated math, but he loved art. So I used to be like Mr. Langston, I used to get students to put their homework on the board for communication marks. And so that's what he'd do, but for every factoring question, he'd draw the foil bird. Except he wouldn't just draw the face, he'd draw the whole body all the way down here. And he'd be like smashing polynomial cities and all that sort of stuff, right? That said, if you don't know how to do a question, it's not bad in this class, but in my 10 applied, people will spend like an hour on foil bird art on their test and answer 3 questions out of 50, okay? So please don't do that, okay? You don't get a bonus mark for doing that or anything. It just helps you grow. All right, I'm going to do another one here. We'll see if you guys remember how to do this. First start. How are we going? Oh, we're still good. How? Oh, how about one like that? Madison, I'm gonna pick on you. There's a 2 and a 3, that looks scary, right? There's like 2 terms on the beginning, right? And 3 in the second back, so that's frightening, right? Well, so what you're going to do is here, though, right? Remember what distributive law means, right? Up here, although they call it foiling, but the 2x had to hit both of these, right? And then the negative 3 had to hit both of these. The only difference for a 2 and a 3 is that this 5x is going to hit all 3 of these things. Okay? So with that knowledge, I want you guys to try this question, right? So the 5x is going to multiply into all 3 of them, and the negative 3 is going to multiply into all 3 of them.
5x2.
Yeah, keep going.
Plus 25x squared.
Yeah.
Plus
No.
minus 9.
No.
You multiply those two? Negative.
I'm going to say minus 15x. Because, right, because remember this 5x has to hit all 3 of them. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. Right? You see what I mean? So the 5x, everyone see that, right? The 5x hits all 3 of those right there. All right, Colton, can you be brave and do the bottom? You know what I'm trying to say. The next part, please. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say.
3x squared.
Okay?
Minus 15x.
Yeah.
And then plus 5.
I'm running with you. Now, my class said this is like a sharp or something. I don't really see it. There's like supposed to be teeth or something here and like a fin, and I don't really get it myself because math isn't scary, so don't do like animals. It's only nice, friendly people.
I see it.
You see it? I don't really. Okay. Anyway, we're not quite done with this question. We're getting close, though. Kylie, can you finish one up for us, please? Yeah, you might as well. Yeah. Yeah. Good. And last person's doing that. Finish this up for the day. Go ahead. Yeah, not good. You want math or math? What do you want? Math?
I prefer math.
Yeah. Go ahead.
5x cubed
Yeah.
plus 22x squared
Yeah.
plus 9.
Hey, guys. Okay, so tomorrow we'll see the angry, evil Mr. Sadler. Will be today. Your homework will be one question for tonight. I want to see who remembers how to do this from last night. You can probably get it done right now. Yeah, I'll be able to get it done right. How much time have you got? Yeah, you can get it done right now. As well for your homework, please get your outline signed and all that stuff too.